just been taking my time to introduce all my organic products to you guys. So today I'm going to introduce my body cream and body lotion. So sit back and enjoy what I have for you today. Rosy Organic Body Cream. There is no harsh ingredients in this body cream. And you can see how my body is. You know, this is what I have been using. Rosy Organic Body Cream gives you even skin tone. It gives you a very beautiful, complexion, and is very mild on the body. And this body cream is suitable for all skin type. Doesn't matter if your skin is sensitive, if your skin is the tough type skin, it's still gonna work on your body very well. It gives you natural skin tone. So you can see how my knuckles are. There's no special knuckle cream that I have to use here. I only use this body cream day and night, and I'm good to go. So I'm not applying any extra, knuckle cream here. I'm not using any extra knuckle cream on my knuckles. I only apply this Rosy Organic Body Cream and I'm good to go. So all the ingredients in here are pure natural ingredients, no chemical. So that is why it's so good for you to choose Rosy Organic Body Cream. And for some of you that does not like using body cream, I also have the lotion. So if you don't want to use the cream, you can as well use the lotion, and it gives you the same effect. So like I'm gonna show you my elbow. See how clean my elbows are. Even your armpits. See, the armpit is clean. I'm showing you all this because there are some products that you have to use, and this part of your body, the armpit, will be so dark. Even your knuckles will be so dark. Even your elbow will be so dark, and your knuckles. But with Rosy Organic Body Cream and lotion, you don't have to be worried about black elbows or dark armpits or dark knuckles. You don't have to worry about that at all. You're just, making a good choice, choosing to use Rosy Organic products. Rosy Organic Body Cream or Rosy Organic Body Lotion. Any one of your choice, you're good to go. Guys, like I've said in my previous videos concerning my products, I don't know how to preach about these things. I just believe that a trial will convince you. When you're sure of what you have, you don't have to say much. Just let that product advertise itself. I'm very sure of this product, and I promise you, a trial will convince you concerning this product. This product is going to market itself to you the moment you start trying this product, because what you have from using this product will be positive answers. But I always like to remind people about my organic products. You just have to be a little bit patient. Like this body cream and lotion, just give it 2 weeks to 4 weeks, then you begin to see beautiful results on your body. Beautiful results on your body. I have complete range of, body treatments, so to say. I'm going to be taking my time to introduce them one after the other to you guys. So now I am introducing these two to you today. Give them a trial and you see it by yourself, and you come back with a testimony. Honestly, using this product, you'll be the next person to sit down You do a voluntary work for me. I mean, like introducing this body cream and lotion to your friends, your neighbors, and to your relatives. Because once they just see it on you, once they look at you and they will see a beautiful skin tone, they will always want to come and see what you're using. So give it a trial and you never regret it. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys. Bye for now. Mwah.